Hi honeys, how's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. I just want to draw y'all's attention to these eyelash extensions I put on myself. I like this out the best, but I think this one is on properly. I like this one the best. So it's called Lilac. What's the name of this? Lilac Street Eyelash Company. The stuff came in this box. It took about a week to get here after I ordered it. So I'm just going to show y'all some of the stuff that came in the box. Okay. It's like a little suitcase with a handle. I haven't opened this yet. I opened this without tearing it up. Oh, here you go. That's where I can put my lashes in and my glue and everything. Because I have a hard time putting on the regular strip lashes. So I got these extensions. So it's a cute little suitcase. Storage case for my lashes. I can't even open it right now, and I don't want to tear it up. Okay, what else I got up in here? Lilac Street. Welcome to the Lash Rebellion. Go to lilacstreet.com and get natural, easy to wear lashes for days. Okay. So I got several styles, several lengths. I got the Midnight. This is a style. And I got this in 16 millimeter. Y'all can't see them. Well, anyway, what I have on is 14 millimeters. And that's pretty long enough for me. What I have on is the French lace in the 14 millimeters. And here's the 12 millimeters. That was for, if I wanted to put some right here in the corner, but I didn't put anything there. I just got three of these lash strip things. Let me show you. Three of these on the outer edges on each eye. So this is what I use. Y'all can't see that either, but I'm gonna show you. Comes with this applicator thing, tweezers. And if I can put lashes on, anybody can do it. My hands shake. So you just get the lash cluster off of there with the tweezers they send. See that? You put the glue, the special glue goes on here. You're supposed to put this up under your lashes, right on the lashes, not on the skin at all. But I didn't want to do that. I put it on top. So I put it on top of the lashes. That's easier for me. And I just put some glue here, some glue on my own lashes, and just put it on there. It was easy, y'all. Next time I will show y'all. But I didn't want my first time to be experimenting. Okay, like I said, it came with these tweezers. I got another style of lashes. It's called Feather. Light and feathery. And I don't even feel these lashes at all. It's so lightweight. Got any more? Let's see what else I got in here. I also have the Hollywood style. It's like the long wispy looking lashes. And they're in clusters of They're clusters of lashes. Came with the black Pro Lash glue, and it's black. Let me show you. It comes with a little bitty wand. This little bitty wand. And just big enough to, well, they want you to coat the underside of your lashes so you can put the lashes under here. I wasn't doing that. I put it on top of my lashes. And I put a little of this on top of the actual lash cluster. And I held it a couple seconds, and then I put it on there with the tweezers. And then it comes with the, after you finish doing the lashes, you're supposed to use this Lilac Lash Crystal Coat. So you let me show you. It's clear. It looks like this. And you put this on your lash. You know, you can coat it underneath and on top, wherever you put the glue. So this will keep it from being sticky and help it last longer. Like when you shower and wash your face and stuff, this will help you from keep from loosening the glue. Okay? Don't have no unpleasant strong scent either. It's crystal clear. And that helps your lashes stay on longer. So we're going to see how long these stay on. And what else I got up in here? Lilac Lash Remover. I haven't even looked at this. So far, so good. I'm liking this. I'm trying to open this box. No smell. So I guess I brushed these. This is like a comb with solution on it. And I guess I can brush it through my lashes to loosen this adhesive. I ain't about to use that now. Okay, I like that. We got one more thing. I don't know what this is. Lilac Lash Conditioning Primer. I don't know what you do with this because I didn't use it. Guess you prime your own lashes? I don't know. Guess I need to read up on it again. I cannot read. Can't even begin to read this little writing. I don't know why they do that. So far, so good. I'm liking these lash extensions, clusters. I'm liking these a lot. And each set of lashes is $7. Cheap. Very cheap. Very, very cheap. So I'll leave a link. And I ain't getting nothing to help promote this. It's just something that I like, and I think my honeys would like it too. Look at that. Don't have any mascara, and I didn't even finish putting the lashes on. The whole strip. I just put on 3 clusters. And this kind of overlapped, that's why this looks like thicker. So this was the first eye I did, and I didn't know what I was doing. And I like it better than this one. But I want to thank you all for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the day. And oh, okay, after I put on my lashes, I had to crimp them with this. Kind of bond my lashes with the fake lashes. Of course, you can do it with your fingers. So I like these a lot. And these are the 14 millimeter, and they go up to 18 millimeter. Okay. And very lightweight. I don't feel these at all. But I didn't need no mascara. And I didn't have to struggle putting on the lash strip. This is easier to me. Okay? And let me show you. The little strip that you put the adhesive on is so thin. Very, very thin. Okay, see it? Nice sections of eyelashes. Okay. I'm going for real now. Put this back in here. I like these much better than strip lashes, because I have tried over and over again to use them strip lashes. That don't work for me. I can get them on sometimes and other times. So, tell me what you think, okay? And I'll leave a link in my description box for Lilac Street lashes. It's actually called Faux Eyelash Clusters by Lilac Street. And they come in quite a few different styles. Okay? Bye.